family. This plant is called Purslane. Yeah, traditionally it is packed with omega-3. I'm gonna share a video with you. Yeah, take in the message. Sight?
This is Purslane. You all have it. It's Purslane. It looks like a little succulent, correct? Yeah. It grows in your driveway, in the city, everywhere. Yeah. This plant has the most omega-3 fatty acids of any plant. The other place to get omega-3 fatty acids is fish or animal. Other plants don't have it like this one does. How you eat this is you just pick this and chew it. It's crunchy and it's a succulent. You can put it in salad. Now, the first time Eugene and I ever did this class, the person who owns this farm, Carolyn and her husband Dan, came with us on the walk. And Carolyn said, I'm paying people a lot of money to pull this out of my garden and throw it out. From now on, we're pulling it out of the garden and we're selling it and she does.
Yeah,
right.
Wow.
So
Great rise. Yeah man, welcome to the Herbalawes channel. Once again. Yeah man, on the Herbalawes channel, we grow traditional herbs for tea. Yeah man. And traditional herbs, we're talking about basil. Yeah? Yeah man. And other traditional herbs like lemongrass and all those things. Look straight. Yeah. We're talking about them traditional herbs. Yeah. Today's episode. Yeah. Today is just a chill vibe. Yeah. Just water in the garden. Yeah. Today is a Monday morning. Yeah. Today I just feel like chilling, watering, observing the things that I've done over the past couple of days. Yeah man, so I water the plants. Yeah, and I have a chill vibe. But I still want to carry you with I. Come forward. So in previous episode, we talk about Callaloo. Yeah, this plant right here is called Callaloo, this leafy vegetable. Yeah, and we say it's a staple vegetable in the Caribbean. One that is packed with vitamins, yeah, iron and fiber. Yeah, and we also talk about in Trinidad. Yeah, when they refer to Callaloo, they are actually referring to a meal. Yeah, and that meal can also, it cannot be a meal that is stewed down with dasheen, okras, yeah, and other stuff. Yeah, and it can also be a soup. Yeah, and we talk about in Jamaica, my opinion, a staple meal with Callaloo is Callaloo and banana. Yeah? And Jamaicans love dumpling. But also, whenever time you're steaming fish, you can also cut up Callaloo and put in between it. Yeah. And we discuss many other things about Callaloo. So that was previous episode. So if you are new here, like a couple hours ago, yeah, and you never subscribe to the Herbalawes channel, subscribe. And if you're wondering what we do here, yeah man, we grow traditional herbs for tea. Yeah, we grow vegetables like Callaloo. Yeah. That's previous episode. So you can also go over and check out that episode. So as I always, reply to your comments. Yeah, especially if I recognize you been here more than one time, or you can be here the first time. I always sometimes reply, I appreciate your presence. Yeah, man, I really appreciate your presence. So if you are new here, I appreciate your presence. If you are here from day one, I appreciate your presence. Thank you for being a part of the Roots family, the extended family, for being on the Herbalawes channel. Because there are many channels out there that you can watch. But whenever time you come up this channel, you show some love. Give thanks. Watch that style. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your presence. I appreciate you reaching thus far in the video. Yeah, man. See you in another one. Yeah. Sun is shining. The weather is. Yeah, man. Blessings. I am creating a sauce. So this is Chinese sauce, which is added already. I add some parsley, and now I'm going to add my onion and garlic, and I'm going to put a passion flavor in it. First I'm doing something like this, so come with I.